Hey Ian, Gary Johnson here, and I want to show you what, when you visit the local.smtoolbox.com and log in, you'll click right here to see which projects that which I've assigned you to all of these projects. Okay, but first what I want you to do is click on the divorce lawyer in Tampa, so it's the active project, and then come over here and click right here on this checklist. Okay, and you'll see all items, all tasks, local marketing. So click on the local marketing task, then look at week 1. Google Places listing created, get citations, directory sites first, make sure you have a website operational, set up a tracking phone number if you want to track calls. So that's done, but watch the videos right here. Click on this video icon to learn how to do each one of these projects. Or each one of these tasks, I'm sorry. Right there. And if there's not a video for it, don't worry about it. This phone number actually changed, 813 7001. Here's the web address, URL. And you actually created this optimized email. It was one joshualaw@gmail.com. The company description can be obtained from the Google Places page. Okay, watch the video on creating a KML file. Watch this video and then click create the KMA file. Okay, so it's as simple as coming in here, watching the videos, and when each task is complete, mark it as complete, and then move on to the next week's checklist. And again, watch these videos. To learn how to complete the task. I've got you on 60 hours per month right now. But if you go over that, that's fine. Just it's just make sure that all of these tasks are completed, and just come in each day and work on a task, for each day of a week until you get all of these tasks completed. Okay? All right, thanks. Oh, one last thing. You will be paid each Friday for 10 hours a week automatically, so just plan on, getting paid each Friday. If you go over the 10 hours a week, that's fine. You just need to let me know on Thursday by sending an email to Gary@growlocalmedia.com.